Hello, I did some more work on the line shaft today, and we managed to get the motor on the right spot. The pulley is a bit wobbly, but it's now all in place, and with a strike on the button, it finally runs. Here you can see it wobbles a bit. But for now it's okay to attach more machines and to see if we can get it all aligned. And I hope to get another motor. And with the other motor I have another pulley, so I hope that's not as wobbly as this one. This is all temporarily. It runs about 240 RPM now. I hope you will like this, and in the future I make more of this videos of this line shaft. I think the next project is to attach this small drill here, so to remove the motor and make it working on the line shaft, and from there I will see. It's just for a hobby, so no hurry. And I hope to see you very soon on my channel. Like and subscribe if you want. I would like that. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.